In this particular video, we will discuss about the relation between compound and simple interest. So, hey window, please shift the screen. So it's here. You can see the compound interest and there is a question. The difference between the compound interest compounded annually and the simple interest on a certain sum. I don't know what is the principal amount given to us. For 2 years it is deposited and at the rate of 15% per annum is rupees 180. The difference between the compound interest compounded annually and the simple interest means there is a difference between compound interest and simple interest is 180 rupees. If the amount is deposited in case of a compound interest for 2 years and in case of a simple interest for 2 years with the same rate of interest, that is 15%. क्या भाई सवाल समझ आया नहीं आया? सवाल में कह रहा है कि आपने कुछ रुपया लिया और उसको जमा कर दिया. एक तो आपने जब जमा किया तो कंपाउंडेड एनुअली था, दूसरा जब जमा किया वही सेम पैसा आपने दूसरी जगह जब जमा किया तो वो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट पे था. 2 साल के लिए आपने पैसा जमा किया है, एक कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट पे दूसरा सिंपल इंटरेस्ट पे. 2 साल के लिए 15% रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पर. तो जब आपने कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट 2 साल के बाद यानी आपको जो पैसा मिला और सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में जहां पे आपने जमा किया था 2 साल के बाद जो पैसा मिला, इन दोनों में 180 रुपए का डिफरेंस आ रहा है. दैट इज देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस कंपाउंड एंड सिंपल इज 180 रुपीज. तो चलो हम देखते हैं हम कैसे कर सकते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. सो वी हैव कंसीडर्ड that sum be x rupees. This is the amount, this is the principal which I am going to deposit in a bank. Okay, तो हमारी कंडीशन क्या कह रही है? According to the condition, compound interest minus simple interest is equals to 180 rupees for the same time of period and same rate of interest for the same amount. तो ठीक है, हमारे पास ये फॉर्मूला आ गया. अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम इस फॉर्मूले को में वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. तो हमें फॉर्मूला पता है कि हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या है. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला होता है P इंटू R इंटू T अपॉन 100 और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला होता है प्रिंसिपल और जनरली हम अगर बात करें तो अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल और अमाउंट का फॉर्मूला होता है P इंटू 1 प्लस R अपॉन 100 टू द पावर n. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट फ्रॉम द P principal, so the interest what you have got compounded and you have got you can calculate it, right? Now what I will do, I will substitute this compound interest and simple interest in the above formula, right? Which is telling us that this part is equals to this one is equation 1. So I'm just going to substitute it in the equation 1. So this is my equation 1. Now I'll use this compound interest and simple interest in the formula, right? तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम इन वैल्यूज को यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट एंड सिंपल. सो हाउ टू प्रोसीड फर्दर मोर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर न्यूमेरिकल. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस सॉल्यूशन, द एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट ओवर हियर. यू कैन राइट इट दिस वे, x minus x. You can take x outside. What is left inside the bracket? If you simplify this, you will get 1 plus 15 divide 100 to the power 2 minus 1. This part we have to simplify. Then subtracted by x. And this 15 times 2 divided by 100 is 30. Right? So this is 30 over 100 is equals to 180. Now if I take common x outside from both these brackets, what I will get at last, this part is 115 divided by 100 to the power 2 minus 1. Oh sorry, this cannot be done here. And then there is a negative sign. That negative sign 30 over 100 and this is closed is equals to 180. When you simplify this part, this calculation if you do, you will find out the final value of x. So let us do it. So friends, I'm just going to simplify this this part. If you will simplify this part, which I'm just putting colored line below, then if I'm simplifying this particular part, you will get it this way here. Once more, if you simplify this entire part, it's going to be 13225. LCM is 10,000, so that is going to be this way, and then 3,000 is the remaining part, and then in the denominator you will have 10,000, right? When you simplify, final answer will be like how much is your final answer? Exactly. So it is 225 divided by 10,000. Very good. So this is only the part which I'm going to show you here. This is only a part, means this part I have calculated, this part only, right? So this is only a part which I have calculated over here, and I got the answer. Now furthermore, if I solve it, so that is that what we got, 225 upon 10,000, right? So this is a part which is here, and let us solve it proper. This is what the calculation which we can do finally. So x is equals to x times 222 divided 10,000 is equals to 180. So finally, if you calculate the value of x over here, if I show you with the different ink, I can show you. So this way, if you solve it this way, the furthermore calculation you will have, you can finally get the value of x, and the value of x is, so the final answer, the value of x is equals to 8,000 rupees that you can get. So what is x? Actually x is the sum, so this is equals to 8,000, right? So this is my answer. What you need to do, you just have to simplify this part, cancel them, whatever the thing, like after cancelling this all, you will get 8,000. So I am just telling you the answer of this particular question. Done. If there is any other problem you are having, you just discuss it, mention it in the comment box. As soon as possible I'll get back to you with a set of videos so that I can explain you your doubts and your problems. Bye, take care, have fun.